If you are looking to move to North Florida and you've been looking for a larger 2-story home, I have great news for you. The beautiful Rowan floor plan built by Mattamy in the Rivertown community is amazing. Roughly 3,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, large lot. It is not to be missed. What else isn't to be missed is this amazing Rivertown community. It features 2 amenity centers, one of the best pools in the area. If you're looking for more information about this home or any home in North Florida, we'd love to hear from you.
Yo, get the speaker box loud, hitting that stuff till you hearing that sound.